About 4 years ago, Pokemon Go came out. Pokemon Go is an augmented reality game where people can interact with game characters in real locations around the world. Pokemon Go became the fastest company in history to hit 1 billion US dollars in revenue. I got together with my co-founder, Max Woon, and we thought, instead of building the next Pokemon Go, what if we could build a virtual world? What if we could build a platform on which the next 1,000 Pokemon Go's are built, a metaverse? We decided to build SuperWorld, which I often describe as Pokemon Go meets Foursquare meets Monopoly. SuperWorld is built on top of the real world. It's all around us. We're in it right now. In SuperWorld, you have a world, I have a world, brands have worlds. There's an infinite number of worlds. These are all just filters on top of the real world. We started SuperWorld with the virtual version of the game Monopoly. We took the surface of the earth and divided it into 64.8 billion plots of virtual land. Users can buy these virtual plots of land because they are structured as NFTs, smart contracts that give users ownership of virtual real estate. Users that buy this virtual real estate get a share of any of the advertising and digital and e-commerce that happens when players are physically on their land in the real world. The second step, we added a virtual reality and augmented reality platform layered over the real world, just like Foursquare. Anyone can drop content down on any plot in SuperWorld for others to experience and interact with. The content each user drops into a location in SuperWorld creates one of an unlimited number of filters on top of the real world. These real worlds are made up of data, personal data, content data, transaction data, and interaction data, a lot of data. We believe in permission-based use of data, which means that we value our users' privacy. We believe in data integrity. And so money that is made from users' data is shared with users. SuperWorld is a virtual world that enhances users' real life, but doesn't suck them into it. I have 2 kids, and I don't want to build a world that sucks them into it. I'm a humanist and want to build a virtual world that improves people's real lives and also improves the real world. This is what makes us different. And so our users, our super citizens, benefit SuperWorld and the metaverse through their activity, and in turn, they earn crypto. And the third step in creating SuperWorld is to allow our users to create, buy, sell, discover, and share content anywhere in the world on top of the virtual real estate in SuperWorld. Users can take our mobile application and access this content virtually from anywhere in the world, or check out what content has been dropped where they are in the real world. SuperWorld has a full NFT marketplace, which enables any user to create digital assets out of any content using any file type, 3D, 2D, audio, anything, and then put it into augmented reality in SuperWorld. Let me show you how it works. When users come to our website, they're encouraged to enter SuperWorld and check out their favorite places around the world and potentially buy virtual real estate. When users come to the map interface, they click on the top right and sign up. Users then need to sign up for a crypto wallet and connect it to SuperWorld. Once a user has connected their wallet and signed in, they're all set. They can then search around the world for any places that they'd like to buy virtual real estate. The number shows how many plots have already been bought, what hasn't been purchased yet, and what plot owners are willing to sell. Users zoom in on a location they want to buy, look at the legend on the left, which shows them shaded plots that have already been purchased, green plots that are being sold by their owners, and once a user buys a plot, purple plots are the ones that they own. If a user finds a plot they'd like to buy, in this case, I picked a spot on East 50th Street in Manhattan, just click purchase to buy it. It's that simple. To create some content, a digital asset using an NFT, enter the salon and click on the sign in button and then the create button. The user then uploads the file type that they'd like to mint and enters information about the NFT and its selling price. The user that can then view their NFT and put it up for sale in the gallery. Users can use our mobile app to place NFTs from our platform or from any other platform or creator and display it anywhere in SuperWorld, matching to a real location in the real world. Here's an example of an artist that has placed his NFTs in Times Square. Here's another example of art being placed in Sheep's Meadow in Central Park in New York, where a group of artists held a live and virtual art show on their plot of virtual land last Sunday. SuperWorld makes money by taking a cut of any of the digital, commerce, e-commerce, or brand advertising revenue that happens on the platform. The augmented reality market will be at $66 billion US by 2024. Augmented reality advertising market will be at $2.2 billion US by 2023. SuperWorld combines many of the elements: virtual reality, virtual real estate, social AR, NFTs, content monetization, and a social media platform into a metaverse. My co-founder, Max, and I are serial entrepreneurs. I previously worked in management consulting, investment banking on Wall Street, and venture capital. I was previously an early employee and first biz dev at TopTal, a talent marketplace backed by Andreessen Horowitz, which is now a unicorn. Later, I co-founded Rogue Initiative Studios, a film, television, gaming, and VR studio in Hollywood, with my co-founder who produced Call of Duty, Modern Warfare series, and Ghosts, as well as the world-renowned action director, Michael Bay, who's known for directing and producing the Transformers movies. And we raised money from all the top AR, VR venture capital firms in Silicon Valley and beyond. My co-founder, Max Woon, previously co-founded Xfire and sold it to Viacom. He's also been a co-founder and early team member at Fizzle, Toonstar, Skit, and Sliver, all venture-backed companies, and previously worked in Stephen Hawking's department at Cambridge. We've assembled a world-class set of investors and advisors. We have Dr. Bob Metcalf, founder of Ethernet and Metcalfe's Law, and Stephen Wolfram, one of the top AI and computer scientists in the world. We have Robert Scoble, one of the top technology influencers in the world, who just published Infinite Retina, the definitive book on AR, VR. And also Will Burns, who literally defined the word metaverse for the IEEE. In the last 3 months, we've seen a 52 times increase in sale of virtual real estate on our platform. SuperWorld has made $2.1 million US in net revenue so far this year in 2021.